Have you ever spent hours editing your video with a free program only to export it and have the video turn out like this or this? Today we're going to fix that. What's up guys, Iovo here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the top 5 best free video editing software that you can use for your next video. Now there's hundreds of programs you can choose from, so I want to make sure that I choose the best software, so every single one must meet the following criteria. Each program must be available for both Windows and Mac. There must be absolutely no watermarks. And the program must have all basic functionality available, so you should be able to add a bunch of video clips, trim them, add effects to them, as well as edit the music and text and be able to export it as a full video. And so with that being said, let's get started. Now these programs aren't being mentioned in any particular order, but the first one we're going to be talking about is DaVinci Resolve 16. And DaVinci Resolve is one of my favorite editors. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux and has all of the functionality that you can ask for. You can not only combine clips, edit your video and audio, add transitions and effects, but you can also do some keyframe editing as well as color grading. DaVinci Resolve also has more robust features such as a frame rate editor as well as facial recognition, so you can literally make anything you want within this software. You can also easily export videos in the perfect format for YouTube, and there's no limitations on the length of the video. I'm actually pretty surprised that all of this is available for free within DaVinci Resolve. Now, the biggest limitation is that the maximum resolution you can export videos at is 4K. Unfortunately, you can't export videos in 8K with the free version, but I can't see any reason why you'd want to be exporting videos in 8K in the first place. You also don't get all of the facial recognition features and effects in the free version, and you do need a pretty powerful computer, but all in all, with DaVinci Resolve 16, you can literally make 99.9% of the YouTube videos you want to with the free version. Now, if you have a PC that's less powerful and you want something that's web-based, the web-based editor I would recommend is Kapwing. Kapwing is one of the only online editors I've found that has no watermark, so I'm pretty surprised that all of this is available for free. The only limitation you have is that within the free version, you can't export videos that are longer than 10 minutes, but I wouldn't see this as a big restriction. Now, before we move on to the next program, if you're wondering what the best way to actually learn these programs is, I would highly recommend that you use Skillshare, which is the sponsor of today's video. Skillshare is an online education platform where you can take as many courses as you want for a monthly or annual fee. If you're someone who wants to learn about video editing, graphic design, or anything else, this is the perfect way to do so because you don't have to pay for every single course. Over the last month, I've actually been using Skillshare myself to learn how to use Premiere Pro, but they also have courses for DaVinci Resolve and the other free editors that I mentioned in this video. If you guys are interested, you can click the link down below in the description, and the first 1,000 people that sign up will get 2 months for free, so I highly recommend that you check it out. Next up on the list, we have Shotgun. Shotgun is a really good choice because it's completely free. It's an open source editor available for Windows, Macs, and Linux, and you don't need to upgrade to any pro version to access all of the features because everything is available in the main version at no cost. For this reason, if you're somebody who wants to commit to learning one software that you're going to be using for a long time, I would recommend Shotcut because you're never going to have to upgrade to any pro version, and you have a lot of different things you can do within the software. It has all the functionality you can ask for. Not only does Shotcut have all of the video editing features you need, but it's probably the most robust audio editor on this list as well. Within Shotcut, you can change the pitch, normalize your audio, change the reverb, as well as the speed, and also remove noise. And so if you're someone who's shooting vlogs or music videos and you have a lot of different audio inputs and you want to make sure that your videos have consistent audio as well, I would highly recommend Shotcut. The fourth program on this list is Lightworks. Lightworks is also available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Lightworks has a variety of different features, including the ability to crop clips, color grade, combine them, add different effects, as well as add different elements such as pictures and text right into your video so you can create a cohesive product. One thing that's really cool about Lightworks is that it's optimized for speed. Lightworks ensures that it lags as little as possible, and this is done by having a lot of processes run in the background. So as you're editing, the videos will automatically be rendering, and so everything will be very smooth, fast, and seamless. However, because this is the case, you do need a powerful computer to be able to run Lightworks, similar to DaVinci Resolve. And one of the limitations of Lightworks is that within the free version, you can only export videos up to 720p, which is still fine because that is HD. But if you're someone who wants to, be able to export videos at 1080p or 4K for whatever reason, then I would stay away from Lightworks and use the other 4 alternatives that I mentioned in this video. And the last program on this list is HitFilm Express 4. Now HitFilm is very similar to DaVinci Resolve, where you can not only do basic edits to your video, but also do very advanced things such as keyframe editing and color grading. There is no time restrictions on your video exports, and you can export all the way up to 4K in the free version. What makes it very different from DaVinci Resolve is that it doesn't have the option to sync multiple cameras at once. But other than that, HitFilm Express is very solid. You can make basically any YouTube video you want on it. It doesn't have any exporting constraints. You can export videos that are over 20 minutes long, and they can be up to 4K, which is perfect for YouTube. And it doesn't require as much processing power as a program such as DaVinci Resolve. So if you have a less powerful computer, HitFilm Express 4 might be the perfect product for you. But those are all the programs I'm going to be covering for this video. Let me know down below in the comments if I missed any and I can include them in the next video. But that's about it. If you guys did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. My name is Iovo, and I'm signing out.